Anna wakes up early. She looks outside her window. The sun is shining. She feels happy and excited. Today she plans to visit the park. Anna has a favorite park near her home. It is not big, but it is beautiful. She enjoys watching the birds there. Anna eats her breakfast. She has toast and orange juice. Then she gets ready. She wears a blue dress and a hat. She takes her backpack. Inside, there is a book, a small blanket, and an apple. Anna likes to be prepared. At 10 o'clock, Anna leaves her house. She walks down the street. The air is fresh and the flowers smell sweet. Anna sees her neighbor, Mr. Brown. He is watering his plants. "Good morning, Anna," he says. "Good morning, Mr. Brown," Anna replies with a smile. Anna arrives at the park. She sees children playing. They are laughing and running. Anna finds a quiet spot under a big tree. She lays her blanket on the grass and sits down. She takes a deep breath and feels calm. Anna opens her book. It is about adventures in the forest. She loves the story. Sometimes she stops reading to watch the people around her. A little girl is flying a kite with her dad. The kite is red and flies high in the sky. After reading, Anna eats her apple. It is sweet and crunchy. She watches the clouds. They move slowly. One cloud looks like a rabbit. Another cloud looks like a boat. Anna likes to imagine stories about the clouds. A small dog runs by. It stops to sniff Anna's shoe. She laughs and pets the dog. Its fur is soft. A woman calls the dog. "Max, come here," she says. Max runs back to the woman. Anna waves goodbye to Max. Anna spends a few hours at the park. She enjoys the warm sun. She listens to the birds sing. Time passes peacefully. Finally, Anna decides to go home. She packs her things and stands up. On her way home, she stops for ice cream. She chooses chocolate flavor. It is cold and delicious. Anna smiles as she walks back. She thinks about her day at the park. It was simple, but it made her happy. Anna reaches home. She feels tired but content. She takes off her shoes and sits on the sofa. She thinks about tomorrow. Maybe she will visit the park again. Maybe she will make new friends. For now, Anna enjoys a quiet evening. She is grateful for the little things that make life beautiful. And she is excited for another day full of simple joys.